Hi friends, and welcome back to the Home Depot out here in the garden center. I really came out to do a little shopping myself, but I can't help myself. So I'm going to take a small little tour for you guys. These beautiful moms that we're looking at, they're only $3.98 and they are gorgeous. Oh my goodness, how beautiful is this? And this red, ooh, this red is just, oh, it's so pretty. You have the white and the larger moms for $17.98 in a nice, in a nice plastic pot that you can repurpose. Okay. Medium-sized pumpkins for $3.99. The original price $7.98. Not bad, right? Alrighty, the straw bale is on sale for $7.49. It was $9.98, so that's great. The decor straw is $11.24. The original price was $14.98. The corn stalk is on sale for $5.99. The original price was $12. I'm loving these deals today, so hey, it's a good day to be here at the Home Depot, even though it's for just a minute. Best thing of all, guys, 50% off on perennials and ground covers. Did they spell perennial right, or did they leave an N off? Okay, 50% off on the perennials and ground covers. Oh my goodness, guys. So that means the coneflower is, instead of $20, it is $10. Oh, it's a good day today. The ajuga is on sale for $5 because the original price is $10. The hosta is $13, so that means it's going to be $6.50. $5 on the heuchera. Oh yes. The liriope is $3.48. So little turf $8.98. So it'll be what? $4.50. Okay. We was here just a week ago, and we didn't have these deals last week. Proven Winners grass is $18.98. This is the Prairie Winds lemon squeeze. Maiden grass $17.98. And we're gonna get 50% off on that, guys. Amazing. So the pansies are still looking good. They're $4.98. Pansies in this flat of 6 for $9.98. Kellogg topper is on sale for $4, so that's great. The 1.5 cubic feet turf builder lawn soil is on sale for $8.40. Alrighty friends, the Miracle Grow peat moss is on sale for $9. This Vigoro evergreen is $33.98. The liriope is $30.98. This reblooming azalea is $27.98. The soft serve gold false cypress is $29.98. And this one is by Proven Winners. The North Pole arborvitae, it is $32.98. I'm not going through the specs today, guys, because it's just going to be a really quick video. Chindu viburnum for $12.98. This azalea part sun to shade is $14.98 by the Home Depot. Blue juniper is $29.98. Winter green boxwood is $12.98. These emerald green arborvitaes, they're $14.98. Not a bad deal. We have the arborvitae little giant right here for $14.98. These camellias are $29.98. This red diamond Laura Petlum is $16.98. That last rose is so beautiful. It is by Proven Winners and it is $29.98. Such a beauty. And Perfecto Mundo Red Reblooming Azalea by Proven Winners is $29.98. Well, all right, friends, that is it here today at the Home Depot. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Just a little short little trip I was going to take out here anyway for myself, but I thought I'd bring you all along. So I hope you all enjoyed it. And if you did, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share my content with others. Thank you all so much, and I'll see you all in the next one.